everyone, welcome back to RC3D. My name is Ryan, and in this video I'm adding a new addition to my 3D printed Batman collection. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll put them up here somewhere on top of the screen. Well, I've 3D printed the 1989 Tim Burton's Michael Keaton's Batmobile on this stand, and I also made this large Michael Keaton Batman. This guy's got some heft to him. So I made this guy, but it's missing something. Now, I'm sure you can read, so you know the title of the video. I'm adding this. What's that? So I thought, why not 3D print the Batwing? Now, the 3D print is a little bit rough because it's not done yet. That's what this video is all about. We're going to make it look nice. I'm going to see what I can do to this. The file for this, I'll put a link to the file for this in the description. It's a really good file, but the thing is huge, and I haven't scaled this up. This is just how it comes, but you'd have to build it quite big because there's some really small parts, especially where you've got, like, you got here where the machine guns fold out. You see that? So the machine guns fold out, and there's holes there that are just big enough for a bit of filament to go through. You know, 1.75 mil bit of filament goes through there, acts as a hinge. Even after 3D printing this, I had to drill those out to get that through because just, you know, the layers made it shrink a little bit, so they needed drilling out. Same as the flaps here on the wings. Look, the flaps move. I had to do the same on here for the cockpit. There's a piece missing off here. I'm experimenting with files at the minute, so you can 3D print them like this. I didn't want to 3D print it in transparent PLA because I don't like how it comes out. You know, there's a lot of myths out there. You can get it looking really clear, do 0% infill, things like that. I'm still not happy with it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and remodel these, where I'm just going to print the framework of these and see if I can use a heat gun and manipulate some plastic, maybe from a plastic bottle or something, so that is clear, like clear glass, so you can still see in it. You can still lift it up, you can see straight in. You've got the cockpit and stuff. What else have we got here? It's got missiles and it's got landing gear. They're not, hold on, they're not like glued in or anything yet, because I want to make them interchangeable, because there's files for this where you can add landing gear if you want, or you can put panels so it's like, it looks like the landing gear's up, because these don't move, and when you put this on the stand it can look like it's, you know, in flight on a bit of a wonk like this. But anyway, stop running on. Oh, one more thing, it also comes with removable bits here, so you can put, I'll show you in there, don't know if you can see, it's a bit dark in here, but yeah, there's a hole there. There's supposed to be a hole there, so you can have LEDs and wiring running through this whole thing. Now, I think I might have messed it up, I'm not sure why, maybe because of my wall thickness or something, but the majority of those, the majority of the space in there has closed up, so I can't run wires through it. So I'm going to figure something out. I would really love to put LEDs in this. Let's just get on with it.
Whenever you get lost, I will be there for you. I'll pick you up when you are down. If you're looking for someone to hold, I'll be there to whenever you need my love, need my love. Whenever you need my love, need my love. Ooh, I'll never let you down. All my life I will be there for you. Ooh, I'll always be around when you need someone to carry you. If you're looking for someone to hold, I'll be there to pull you close. Ooh, I'll never let you down. All my life I will be there for you. if I were